How to find receipts on Walmart application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find receipts on Walmart app. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Walmart application. Make sure that you're signing into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the bottom right corner, tap on the account icon. Once you land on your account page, tap on purchase history at the top where you can find all of your order history. So from here you have to browse through a list of transactions and then tap on the one that you need. If you want to filter by date, head over to by date, provide your date, then tap on view results. There are some other options that you can also choose from, that is returns, in store or status. So if you head over to all, you will find all of your purchase history on Walmart. Then you have to browse and tap on the one that you need. After you select your transaction, under your transaction details you will find receipt details. That will bring up a full digital receipt that has items, price, date, payment method, store location, your SKU, and all the details. So you can find or you can access the receipt from there. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.